This seminar that we hosted in the Center of Excellence was called Maximizing Profits with Underutilized Cuts of Meat.
You know, there are cuts of meat that, we all know about, ribeyes and tenderloins and strip. But, there are other steaks like flat irons and hangers, short ribs, and those particular steaks, tri-tip, that, are making a precedence and are offering great value to the customer and then also profitability for restaurants and food service operations.
We covered a variety of different cooking methods to show these chefs how to utilize these cuts of meats that they're already saving a little bit of money on from a price standpoint, and now they can get really high yields so they can maximize that.
The most surprising thing that we use today for me personally would be the lamb belly. I've never utilized that before, and it had a really good texture and really good flavor, and I could see that being appealing for our membership at home. Myself as a leader in the kitchen, I have to have my hands in lots of different things at once, so anything, the equipment or the techniques that we learn from here will make me more efficient, serves to make my life not only easier, but then put out a better product at the end of the day.
I try to take back almost everything I learned. I had a board meeting and I talk highly about what I've learned at these seminars I come to. And I use some of the techniques that he used on the last one on my chef dinner.
My favorite part of today was probably the pressure tilt braiser. I can see that being utilized and almost used every single day in our operation at home.
One of my personal favorite things that we cooked today was the Joyce Farms beef brisket. We actually started smoking it yesterday and did a two-step process with the combi oven.
So it was definitely neat to see how those items could be utilized, and especially using the Electrolux ovens and being able to bring all of that flavor together in such a short period of time was amazing for me to see, and how I can utilize that to talk with other chefs.
I truly highly recommend you going. Like I say, Chef Rob and Corey is awesome chefs to learn from.